Last week, I was in the town of Kurg in the state of Karnataka, flying my drone over this small lake in a remote area, and my drone suddenly starts behaving weirdly. It was just about 100 meters, 120 meters away from me, and I was still somehow not able to control it with my remote. It was acting on its own. So, as a general practice, I checked the GPS signal, which was completely fine. I checked the battery levels of the remote and the drone and also the connection between them. All seemed okay. The only comment that I was getting on my remote control was max load capacity reached. But this can't be the reason for this disconnect. I was not able to figure out, and it was risky as it was flying over a water body. So I started calling it towards me. But I was still somehow not able to control it. And just when it was around 20 or 30 meters away from me, it It was cold month of December, plus an unknown water body, and I don't know swimming. So like every normal human being, I also panicked. I didn't know what to do. And I ran to the nearest house that I saw around the lake. There was this kind lady who thankfully knew Hindi and immediately dialed to her husband for help.
वो डूबी है अंदर है
हाँ
वो
आपको
पानी में हमने
दिख रहा
देखा
है दिख
नहीं।
रहा है
हाँ, वो बहुत दूर है ना, बीच में है।
दिख नहीं रहा
नहीं तो शायद ऐसा भी हो कि वो जो सारा ग्रास है वो ग्रास में भी फंस गया हो।
ಕಾಂಬಲೆಗಡ ಆ ಹುಲ್ಲೊಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಂತ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಆತ वो आएंगे
हाँ।
पैदल आएंगे आप वहाँ जाइए हाँ वो आएंगे
कब तक, कितनी देर में आएंगे?
10 मिनट्स में
वो आ जाएंगे?
हाँ,
अरे वाह,
बहुत थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। सो आपके हस्बैंड है?
हाँ
They indeed were there in next 10 minutes. Those men were a big ray of hope for me.
हाँ फोन किया था।
वो ये वाला जो पेड़ है ना,
हाँ
उसके राइट में वहाँ पे गिरा है। ये वाले पेड़ के राइट साइड।
वो फर्स्ट पेड़ है।
हाँ, ये राइट साइड वाला, ये जो पहला, ये वाला नहीं,
हाँ,
ये वाला
हाँ,
जो है
हाँ,
ना सेकंड लाइन में सबसे राइट वाला, उसके बाद
इंसिडेंट हैपेंड।
He was taking
तो
a
वो
drone
वहाँ
shoot
से आ रहा था। देखो मैं आपको वीडियो
and then it lost connection.
हाँ, वो वीडियो है। वो उस तरफ से मैं लेके आ रहा था और यहाँ पे आ रहा था और फिर वो नीचे आ रहा था। देखिए ये उस तरफ है। सो ये अब ये सीधा आ रहा है, ठीक है। ये देखो, ये पेड़ देखा, ये सबसे आगे वाला पेड़, ये वाला पेड़ है। तो ये पीछे से आ रहा था, यहाँ पे ये इस तरफ आ रहा था और आते आते वो कनेक्शन लूज हो गया। तो वो स्पीड में मैं इसको साइड करने का ट्राई कर रहा था। यहाँ देखो, ये जाते यहाँ पे आके गिरा, ये जगह पे।
देख वो उधर नहीं और आगे नहीं
और आगे वो कनेक्शन खत्म हो गया ना, वही तो प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ
वरना मैंने चालू रखा था, वो वहाँ पे आके कनेक्शन खत्म होके वो पानी में गिर गया।
Those men were really brave. No tantrums, no hesitation. They just went in right into that cold, shabby, and filthy water of that lake.
हाँ, वहीं पर
While those guys were looking, I was going through thousand thoughts and emotions. I was sad, angry, disappointed, as well as inquisitive. Like, how and why did this happen? Instead of using the joysticks, should I have controlled it through home button? Damn, home button दबाना कैसे नहीं सूझा मुझे? I felt so miserable. And now, with every passing minute, I was getting hopeless, since it had been more than 45 minutes that these guys were looking. और सब लोग यही सोच रहे थे. The water is not that deep. The flow of the water is almost still, and we know the exact location as well. Then why aren't we able to find it? Where did it go? But maybe that day I was not going to get answers to any of my questions. Hence, backpacking all the worst feelings of the world, we left the place and went back to our hotel.
So yesterday we had lost the drone. आज हम लोग फिर से एक और बार ट्राई कर रहे हैं. हमारे रिसोर्ट के थ्रू there is this guy who works with the government and who is an ex-army person. He has been a professional diver. So let's see if we are able to find the drone today with his help. Let's see. नहीं. So after that they were like
ज़्यादा गहरा ही है क्या?
नहीं गहरा नहीं है वो, पर वो जो ग्रास होता है ना
उसका अंदर हो गया.
हाँ, एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम वही है, वो लेक बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं है. They were able to stand till here.
अच्छा इतना ही है.
हाँ, so जहाँ पे आप एंट्री करते हो it's kind of a man-made lake. तो आप जहाँ पे एंट्री करते हो वहाँ पे थोड़ा डीप है कि आप थोड़ा स्विम करके जाओ. फिर बीच में जहाँ पे गिरा है एक्चुअली वहाँ पे डीप.
आप पक्का देखा है उसको?
हाँ मैंने देखा है और मेरे
उसके अंदर ही है ना?
हाँ उसके अंदर ही है और मेरे पास मोबाइल में उसका क्लिपिंग भी है और उसका लास्ट लोकेशन जीपीएस से है.
अच्छा.
So वो सब कुछ है और मैं खुद उड़ा रहा था उस चीज को. वो सडनली पता नहीं क्यों क्या हुआ और वो नेटवर्क डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, तो उस वजह से वहीं पे लैंड कर गया.
ठीक है, मिल जाएगा.
Riding on this guy's confidence, I was getting my hopes slightly back. Although I had accepted the fact that maybe I can get the instrument back, but after staying in water for almost a day, I would never be able to operate it. Still, I wanted it. I wanted it to be found. If not for what it means to me or what it's actually worth, at least for the SD card in which I had captured some really nice shots of Coorg in the last 3 days. Sitting by the lake for almost an hour, I accepted the fact that I've lost my drone forever. But what I was not ready to accept was the fact that after spending an amazing year with this drone, 2020 is ending on this disappointing note. I trace my thoughts and go back to the time when I started creating some wonderful memories with it. I started the year in Thailand. This was the place where I started becoming better at drone flying. How speed of the drone impacts the quality of the details in a shot. How exposures have to be maintained while you are facing the sun. How through different angles you can capture the magnanimity of the scene. All of these started making sense to me. I guess Thailand teaches something or the other to every one of us. Our next destination was this beautiful country of Italy. Man, I got to shot the Colosseum up close with a drone. Italy is the place where I got to master all the learnings that I had in Thailand. And Italy anyway is going to remain special for us because Italy is the place where we laid the foundation of this channel. Our first video, which has by far the maximum likes, was shot on this beautiful beach town of Sperlango. And that's how we started onto this journey. Lockdown aaya, travel restrictions aaye, but we had to continue what we started. And looking through such opportunities, we found one of the best experiences ever. We got to work from Goa for almost 2 months. And we exploited this opportunity completely. From sunrises on the beach to the sunsets, from all 41 beaches of Goa to few of the magnanimous mountains of it. From Dudhsagar waterfall to Bogmalo lake, we captured everything in Goa. However, this all is something that you can find on other YouTube channels as well. In fact, better than mine. But there are few things which are very special to me and which holds a very dear place in my heart. And these things are all the silly things that you do around drone flying. That initial show off in front of your friends, and you know everything about this and all such kind of bullshit. That initial attention that you like to gather, you know, wherever you go. It's there only during the initial days of your drone flying only. Kids, oh man, the way kids behave around drone. It's so amazing to watch them. You know, you actually see that curiosity on their faces, like you are able to control a flying object. It's so amazing to watch that. Crashes, oh my god, one irregularity in flying and you are screwed. फटी पड़ी रहती है पूरे टाइम. And last and my favorite, the waving. It never gets old, and it's so amazing to watch. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I have lost my drone, but not my will to travel and capture my experiences. In fact, we continued our Coorg trip with my new DJI Pocket 2, about which I'll be uploading the video soon. Also, there is so much more content from Goa that I'm yet to share with you all. So stay tuned to our channel and please support us by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.